So today is going to be a very special video because in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you my $100 per day secret hack that I've been using to generate $100 days with my affiliate products. Now, I've never shared this information on my YouTube channel, and in fact, I've only really shared this with a few clients and coaching students that I've actually been working with here in the past. So I'm gonna go ahead and release this video and show you guys my $100 per day secret hack. It's super powerful. Stay tuned, you don't wanna miss this. We're starting right now. What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and if you're interested in turning your internet connection and your laptop into cold hard dinero, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the notifications because every single week I deliver this content, I deliver this value, and I show you how to make money online so you don't want to miss any videos. Now guys, in this video today, like I said previously, I'm going to be sharing with you my secret hack to making $100 a day with affiliate products. It's super ninja, it's super easy. You guys are gonna love it. Let's go and jump over to the laptop. Guys, so we're gonna jump right into this video, and it's not gonna take me too long to explain this hack that I've been doing for a very long time across many different affiliate products that's been generating me hundreds and thousands of dollars on a consistent basis. So what this basically is all you guys have probably already heard about, like launch jacking, right? Where you pick a product, you review it, and then you do a review, you put it on YouTube, and you try to get the video ranked. You give the review, you get the bonuses, and then hopefully somebody will buy through your link, right? So this is kind of like launch jacking, but I don't have to compete with all the quote unquote professional launch jackers, right? Because I don't want to, and why would you want to compete with them? Because a lot of them have, you know, a lot of channel authority, or they may have big lists or whatever the case may be. But what I'm going to show you guys today, my hack, is going to show you how you can bypass a lot of those professional launch jackers and make just as many sales or even more sales than they do on some of their campaigns without doing all the launch jacking drama, right? So what I wanted to show you guys today is this product called Passive Income Formula. And this was a product that came out, I want to say maybe a couple months ago. And basically what will happen is a product is about to be launched. You will have like those pro launch jackers get in here, they'll review the product, they'll basically kind of walk you through a demonstration of it, and they'll say, you know, here are my bonuses. You definitely want to buy from me because I have the best bonuses, and my bonuses are going to help accelerate your buying experience and help you make this product even better for you, right? So which is all good methods, nothing against it, but it's just hard to compete with some of these guys sometimes. So what I want to show you guys today is how you can actually stand out and not compete with some of the launch jackers, because when there is a big buzz around certain products, sometimes it's hard to get the traffic that you need when these guys already have like YouTube channels that are built up, or they have big lists, whatever the case may be. They know how to get ranked in the search engines better than you. There's all these little things that you have to compete for. So with this particular product, of course, you got like these guys that are doing reviews. Like I said, you know, typically they'll come in here and then they'll talk about the product, and then they're going to give you some bonuses, right? And you can see these guys are getting decent amount of views. This video got 2,200 views, 1,300 views. And they're all ranking, and they probably all made sales. So, I mean, this method actually does work. But instead of competing with these guys, my method is a little bit different, right? So instead of competing with these guys, they're all targeting this particular keyword, passive income formula, because that's the name of the product. So passive income formula review, because that's what people are typing in when they're looking to buy this product. But I don't even compete with that keyword because I already know when the product is launching, there's going to be like 40 affiliates all trying to compete with this particular keyword. So what I do is a little bit different. So I go and I get access to the product just like these guys do. But instead of just kind of doing the normal review of the product and kind of going through the bullet points and offering bonuses, I actually go through the product, and if I actually like the product and there's things that I feel like will actually help you, then I will actually teach something out of the product. So here's an example of my video. So I promoted that particular product, Passive Income Review, but instead of just doing the regular review of the product, what I ended up doing was teaching something that I learned in the product. So this particular product is about, like creating simple web pages, websites, and getting them ranked and making money with CPA marketing. So what I did is I literally did review the product, and then I created a video on how to make $100 with CPA marketing. So before I actually went through the whole, this is why I think you should buy the product, I just did a video on, let me show you how you can start making $100 a day with CPA marketing, giving value, showing them something, teaching them something up front before just trying to shove a product down their throat and say, buy this because I want to make money from you. Like, no, I want you to buy this product if you like to, and this is why, because this is what this product can do for you. But prior to that, you educate them, you give value first, and then you pitch the product. Because now, if you educate them first, then they know exactly what that product is going to do in order to help them get the desired result that they're going for. Now, so I taught first in this video. So I educated, I gave value, and then I went through and said, okay, if you want to learn more about how to do this, how to market, how to make $100 with CPA, here's a product that I just reviewed, and let me go through it and let me explain to you what I learned, how this can help you, and then you buy it, right? But as you can see, I'm not competing with these guys over here that are using passive income formula. I'm not competing, I'm not coming up, right? Well, that is my video here, but that's not even the keyword. That's a different video. So I'm not competing with these guys. You know what I'm saying? They're all competing against each other. I came through with just a generic keyword saying make money $100 a day with CPA marketing, and this is how you can do it. And I didn't compete with those guys. And then you can take a look at my sales, and you can see I had 34 sales to date. And commissions of $741.14. Now, I don't know what these guys made on this particular product, but I guarantee you that I probably got comparable sales, right? I probably got comparable sales to these guys that do launch jacking all the time, and they have big lists and they give away these nice big bonuses. And basically all I did was just educate. I didn't go for this huge keyword that everybody was going to be typing in, during the launch date. I just said, hey, I picked a keyword that I felt like people are searching in YouTube and Google because I wanted to get traffic to this video. So I did pick a keyword that I knew people would be searching, but I didn't give value first and then pitch the product on the back end. And the results of that is, being able to create $741 from a video that took me 12 minutes to create. And it's continually building more and more income as time goes on. So imagine if you take these products, if you review them and you like them, they're good and they give value, you can create videos like this, target a good keyword that's going to get you some traffic, and then sell the product on the back end. And you could be making money from, this product and that product and that product. And you can have 50 of these videos on your channel, and you could be making money from any of those products any given day, and it all adds up, guys. And that's how I'm easily able to generate hundreds of dollars on a everyday basis with the different products that I promote. So this is basically the hack that I wanted to show you guys. Again, you hear a lot of people talk about launch jacking, and it absolutely works. Don't get me wrong, launch jacking works. I've done this method where you just target the actual product and do all the little stuff to get it ranked, right? You do your backlinks and you do the video submissions and everything else, get ranked in Google and everything. These guys know what they're doing. It absolutely works. But if you're a smaller fish in the pond, right? and you don't know all the advanced SEO tactics, and you don't have a big channel with authority, and you don't have a big list to mail your video out to, you need to get crafty, and you need to, think about different ways in which you can actually get traffic without competing, right? And so this is a way that I do it, by just targeting, keywords that people are searching, and then sell the product on the back end, which results in hundreds and thousands of dollars, guys. So that's it. That's all I got for today. That is my $100 per day hack. I hope you guys understood it and liked it. If you did, hit the like button on this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. And if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing from A to Z from scratch, I will have some training for you in the link in the description in this video. Make sure you guys check that affiliate marketing training out. You'll actually love it. This is John from johnmcneil.com. Hope to see you on the next video. Peace.